miss you. Oh wait, oh you're gonna get
I
fucked.
think it went out.
Did it went out already?
Yeah.
Wait on your boot again, dude. I wanna see it again. Han, wait. Hey Dylan, he's gonna do it again. I just boot. Light on the boot again. You're gonna fuck up. I'm gonna lie. Oh shit.
Oh, that was smart, Owen.
It dudded out. They don't fly out here, man.
I can't find my lighter.
You can light on your boot.
No, that one's mine. That came out of my pocket. Yours is sitting on the bench.
Oh, okay.
You can't. He's trying to light it. Oh shit. Right in the boot.
That's great. I'm being conservative and I'm putting mine in the ground.
Scott, do you remember that? What? When Randy kicked Ryan's ass literally in 8th grade? You can do that with Brandon. You can do it between Brandon's ass cheeks.
All that went off my hand.
Wait, is that...
Brandon's about to die.
Wait a minute, why Brandon? You're doing Tristan's.
You've seen this before, right?
Ow!
What?
Oh, can't get this light.
Here.
Brandon's ass.
Well, come on, be funny though. Be so funny.
How much of his ass is in his pants right now?
Just goes in a loop and hits right in his ass.
That's what I just did.
I know, and I was like,
It's not a big
I
deal.
hear a sizz in my hair.
None of us have balls made out of steel, Randy.
Look at this whole
Enjoy
thing.
mine. You kick me in the balls and it won't bother me. You break your foot.
Let's go ahead and try it right now, Randy.
Need a lighter. You got mine.
Here. Oh.